Do candida diets work? My channel is all about emotional healing of the soul to heal psychosomatic and autoimmune issues such as eczema, candida overgrowth, irritable bowel syndrome, and leaky gut syndrome. However, food and nutrition is part of the holistic regimen and assists in the body's own healing process. My holistic health background and experience in food and nutrition for the gut is mostly based in traditional Eastern and body intuitive principles with a blend of Western concepts. Adhering to a general candida diet requires that you eliminate sugars, so that's processed sugars, refined sugars, gluten, dairy, and common allergen foods like soy, peanuts, and nightshade vegetables such as tomato and eggplant, or the famous paleo diet. Complying to a strict regimen, many individuals do find success in reducing their eczema and candida symptoms, which was my experience, but any stressful situations that had occurred, my symptoms kept returning. This is the same experience for many people, which is why the eczema, candida, gut syndrome industry is an epidemic now, because even the perfect regimen and compliance to food probiotics and cleanses are just a mow the weeds off the lawn solution. It's not complete. Symptoms keep coming back, and it's because we're not pulling the root of the weeds out as well. Therefore, to answer the question, do candida diets work? Candida diets help the physical healing process of the body, but they do not heal the root of your symptoms. What they do is manage your symptoms. This is a diet, and foods and cleanses is a management. It's not a healing. Addressing the root requires you to heal the stress survival trauma lodged in your body and the conditioning of the psyche in your body, affecting the way you feel, live, and express yourself in the world. The role of food for candida, however, is to reduce in Chinese medicine what is called dampness, and body inflammation. Our goal is to dry up and reduce inflammation in the body. And this can be achieved one way by eating very bitter green vegetables, well cooked. I always recommend stewed because it breaks down the insoluble fiber, such as raw celery, which is claimed by nutrition experts to contribute to feeding the candida, and it's hard to digest. My emergency care eczema protocol, available soon, highlights the role of bitter foods in your diet to help reduce this dampness in the body. One example is bitter melon. So there is Indian bitter melon and Chinese bitter melon. What you can do is cut and clean the core, boil small pieces of bitter melon that you chop up, simmer it in a pot for a few hours, and then drink the tea. This will help clear the skin. As well, bitter melon is great for regulating blood sugar levels and weight loss. So if you have issues with diabetes, this is also amazing. Please try this Chinese medicine tip of introducing bitter melons or bitter foods to your candida diet to help manage your eczema and candida symptoms. Another skincare tip is to increase your diet in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon. Salmon is delicious, and a staple meal idea that you can introduce in your week is baked salmon. And make sure to have it medium rare, or so that it's moist in the center, with lemons squeezed generously all over it, with stir-fried Chinese bitter melon. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Tracy, and stay tuned for more truth, because I'm only going to tell you the truth of what's worked for me after trying everything. If this was helpful for you, please like my video, subscribe, and share this video to help others spread the truth and healing the roots of this epidemic together.